Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. I have a little episode. I'm working on this 2014 Corolla, and for some reason the car is kind of shaky. Yesterday I replaced the spark plugs. The only thing that I need to check right now, because there is no code on the vehicle, I need to check the battery and the charging system. Like I said, I replaced the spark plugs. I put the scanner, no codes, no nothing. Yesterday I cleaned the map sensor and the throttle body. And so for some reason, probably it's all 2014, 204,000 miles on the vehicle. The only thing that I need to check is the charging system. I think everything is okay. I checked for vacuum leaks yesterday as well. No vacuum leaks, so it's kind of weird. So the only thing that I need to do on this episode is check the charging system. I'm gonna put this scanner into the battery. This is from the company Kingbolen. The scanner is the BM550, and really inexpensive, really easy to use. Probably something simple, but I don't know until I check the electrical part of it. In this case, just by checking with this, I want to see if the alternator is good, which I replaced it a few months ago with the AutoZone one. And I did the compressor, AC compressor, a couple weeks ago, but I couldn't film that because I took the car to my job, so I can't make videos in there. So let's do this. I'm gonna check the charging system and let's see if we can find something. As soon as you connect the device, just press OK. I'm gonna ask you for the cold cranking amps, which on this battery is 550. Cold cranking amps 550. Now it's gonna start reading the battery. 13.8 volts, which is okay for this battery. 98%. So you have to press up and down to use and check on the device. It seems like everything looks okay on this battery. Let's see if we can check the charging system, which I'm not sure. I just grabbed this device just to do a quick test, but I wish I can check the whole system, which I cannot do with this device. But anyways, we know the battery is okay, and if the battery is okay, probably the alternator is okay as well, because it's not really old. But I wish I can check more with this device, but we only gonna be able to check the battery life percentage and all that good stuff. Okay my guys, the car feels a little bit better than yesterday. Like I said, I did some cleaning and spark plugs. I wish this device it was able to check the whole system, but unfortunately not. But I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you wanna get something inexpensive and you just wanna check the battery life. I hope you like this episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.